Today our family visit Paterson Waterfall. We start out with Thai Sung and Mr. Wish to boost up our energy before we head out for the day. We visit at the Paterson Museum. Free admission, great place to visit.
On the Native Americans. It's like a land cruiser.
It's been 12 days. I think I'm thinking straight.
That's like bow and arrows. Arrows that they would make, and then these are like the arrowheads.
Đây nè, cái nhà làm bằng cái cây á anh. Nhà làm bằng vỏ cây nè. Đây con me ngủ nè.
I'm not a real person.
They probably let us touch it because they didn't like put a case.
Yep. Oh wow. This is the inside and this is the outside.
This is the inside, this is the outside.
Đâu. Lúa vào là bằng cục đá đó anh. Cái cột lâu ngày đó nó trở thành ngọn vậy ha. Thì nhà bao Nguyên làm cục đá búa thử ra bao Nguyên.
Bấm tên này nè.
Xăng hả?
Bấm tên.
Thalina. Nè, nhớ cái history group hồi xưa con có học không? The history á. The name of the tribe.
There's a school called Lenapu. Justin and Vivian went there.
Bữa đây ba làm việc này nha. Ba giả bắp nè, giả bắp đi. Giả hay sao nó ra hột luôn á. Giả một ngày, không biết có ra được trái bắp nào chưa. Fire again.
And then I think that's a drum or something. Looks like that. It looks like a drum.
That's not
The bear's laying
That's
down
not
there waiting
true.
for you, Samuel. Oh, rock home. Which one you like the most?
A lot of people in my school.
Này là ở nhân tạo đúng không?
Look, it's quartz and metal.
Yeah, they said put on your computer. It's good for your computer. It won't mess up.
My psychology teacher has psychology.
Hold up, I'm coming.
Mommy, can I show you which one I like?
Which one do you like?
It's over there.
I like this one.
Here comes the train.
Look there, so you can see it. I can't even see stuff.
Yeah, come back.
Maybe it's going now.
Inside the tunnel now?
Mommy, look, there's another train. There goes. Go. It's Santa Claus. It's there.
All right, so today we are spending a day at the Paterson Festival and we are going to see the waterfall, which is right there. Waterfall. So food on the street, which is good. So we're going to try it out. Fiesta. Oh, that looks good. Kebab, whatever that is. And we'll go down there later. But let's go see waterfall first. We just came out from the museum, which is great. And where's my family?
Go online anytime.
This is Alexander
One of your choice.
Hamilton.
Just arrive at the dock. We'll be greeted by a friendly staff member.
And this is one of the New Jersey's greatest waterfall in Paterson. Right there.
Drop off the keys
We can walk up there.
Oh my, this is the guy where the guy was standing. For
Yeah,
the video.
down there. We can go down there and take a picture, Baba. Đi xuống dưới chụp hình đi anh. Đi xuống đây nè anh, chỗ người ta đang đi cầu thang nè. How is the chip taste, Halina? You have hand sanitizer? Hai chị em đi hướng đó hả? You just went on a long walk, girl. After this, we can go on a... No, đi xuống coi nước á. Ăn hả? I want to go feel the mist. You may have one. How is the taste with the...
It's good with the sauce.
Crispy and crunchy and spicy. Look at Daddy all the way up there. All right. Look at that rock. I'm going down to see the waterfall. I'm going on the wrong way. That looks beautiful. Wow, there's a ball. Oh, I hope. Let me hold on to my phone. Oh, a happy face ball in the water. More balls in there. Volleyball. Look at the waterfall. Hello. So, me and the waterfall. All right, I'm going to stop so I can take some picture. Paterson Waterfalls. Pina colada, the virgin one. They don't have alcohol. Look at that.
Potato, it's in the meat, in the middle is that beef.
We'll come back later. We're still full. Wow, look at all the food. And the pancake. It looks so good. I don't know. It looks good. Wow, I haven't seen any corn that big like that before.
Peruvian corn.
Wow, how much the corn? Wow, huge. Did you put anything on it?
Yeah, the cheese, white cheese.
This corn is so big. Look at that. Cái bắp cái hộp nó bự. Beautiful mango. Okay, this is a little trail walk to see the waterfall. Và nước suối chảy dưới đó kìa. Nước chảy kìa. Wow, look at that, anh. Đó kìa, nó còn mạnh hơn là giống như nè, cà phô đó kìa.
Giống như là nó không hoa.
Yeah, look at that. Wow, wow, wow. Go down there so we can feel the mist, huh? Look at that great fall. Wow, nó cứ chạy thẳng quá ha. Wow. And it's bigger than here. How you feel? You got the mist?
It's raining.
Let's feel the mist. Yeah, I feel the mist. Anh leo lên đó đứng kìa anh ơi, thấy ướt không? Wow, cái chừng Dũng Sình nha. Ướt người luôn.
Oh, you have to clean your phone camera.
Wow, look at that. À, cái camera em bị ướt luôn. Anh, wow, nó phun nè. Ướt người luôn. Đây nè, nó nước suối không ướt người luôn nè. You feel the mist? My camera got all wet. It feels good. It feels good, Alina. My camera. Rain. Oh no. Oh wow. Ướt hết rồi, ướt hết rồi. Ướt người hết rồi. Quá rồi. Khoan để lau điện thoại một cái. Ướt quần ướt áo. Wow, it looks like a rain is going on. Where's the rainbow? Mist, Daniel. You feel the mist?
I don't see the rainbow. I can't even see anything. I just my phone broke. So we started our day at Paterson and now we're at the Sushi revolving bar.
Yeah, and then this is the end of the day. And we love it. This is our second time we came here. Right.
Well, I can thank you for the food.
Amen. What do you want? You want this steak? Come on, steak is ngon nha. No?
I want that too. I want real crab. You think grab one for grab it for
Không biết anh muốn lấy không?
grab it. You have to split that up.
And our day with sushi.
Oh, I got
Samuel, how's your fried rice?
good.
Samuel got fried rice. How was the food so far, Thầy?
It's good.
Good. Samuel, how about your fried rice? Thumbs up. Ba làm sao? Good. Chị hai coi kìa, chị hai ăn ngon đến nỗi mà nói chuyện không được luôn. How many plates you ate so far? Let me see. Okay. Put it in. Put it in. How many plates is that? How many plates?
I like ugly.
All right. Oh, they have cheesecake. I'm going to taste that later.
Oh, my orange cheese.
Okay, put that in.
I'll do it.
All right. How many? Is that 15? Don't know. Whatever you want to try, click on it. Click on it. Daddy, what else do you want?
Sit down.
You can't see some? I like your fried rice. What? The eel one? They don't. Yeah, you want it? Bà, anh muốn ăn lương thử không? Lương?
Lấy.
Oh, it's stuck. Yummy for daddy. Yeah.
What's this? I think it's like next.
Chị Hai làm bộ. What's this? Put in your mouth. Chị Hai. Taste it out.
Is it good?
Samuel, what do you want?
I want that guy first page.
Talk with your mouth full.
I want something.
That is spicy.
Oh, it just has all the things we have.
Look at your nose.
It has all the things on the.
What are you getting? What are you ordering?
Probably want something.
I'm waiting for the one that I want. It's coming.
I don't want udon. Leave the beef udon.
Oh, the one mommy wanna order coming. Is this the one last time we tried? It's so crispy. Have we? Did we get it yet?
Yeah.
Oh, I want it.
Get it. Look it
Help
up.
me. Who won the crispy?
I don't want it.
No. Okay. How about that white one? It looks good with avocado. I like avocado. Anything with avocado. Okay.
I got more. I got a ball.
You got a toy? After we eat. Yeah.
There.
No, ice cream fish. Turn around.
Ice cream
And
fish.
then it has like this is like crunchy, and then there's probably red bean paste somewhere in there. So if you have your I forgot what this is called,
The fish ice cream.
the taiyaki, and it has red bean paste in here, and if you get the vanilla ice cream and you put it on top, it creates a very nice combo
Nice.
of flavors. It's just your tutorial.
Not a huge bite.